My name is Yinka Inyolakon, co-founder CDIAL. I think it's I've got a great perspective about it because I've been part of a few accelerators. The difference with this is, with COVID, we all thought that we could, take everything virtual. So the idea of bringing people together was sort of fading out, at least for some people. But for this one, it was important that we came together to start the accelerator program, and it created a bond. Not only a bond, but it created relationships that helped us build for the next 8 months. And towards delivering the product that we continue to offer our customers into the future. So that's one of the greatest things for me is the effort to bring people together, to start off right, and that helps then continue the process till the end. I thought that was very, very, very unique, nostalgic, but unique in today's time.